I joined the military because my mom came here as an immigrant from the Philippines, and I just saw her work so hard to make a good life for us growing up, and I felt like I had to do the hardest thing that I could possibly think of to give back to my family and to give back to this country that's given me so many opportunities.
I joined the military to serve for a bigger purpose. I felt that everything I was doing in life was lining up with how the Marine Corps represents themselves and how every Marine stands as a person.
I really felt like God called me to the military. I didn't really have any military in my family, but I was always so passionate and patriotic and knew that I wanted to serve my country in some capacity. I fell in love with how hard the Marine Corps was and what it meant to be a female officer, and I love being a part of it ever since.
I stayed in the military because it's one of the most fulfilling jobs anyone could ever do. Caring for people and the Marines around you really makes you feel like you're part of a family.
WSI Sports is proud to support our servicemen and women in our military.